Greetings, welcome back to Reggae Roots Market. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and flavorful world of Jamaican cuisine. Listen up, my beautiful people, because we're about to turn up the heat. Get ready to be surprised by these 10 fascinating facts about Jamaican foods that'll make your taste buds scream, "Ya mon!" From the legendary jerk seasoning to the soul-soothing pepper pot soup, Jamaican food is a gigantic explosion of taste and culture. So buckle up, you lot, and get ready for a wild ride through the island of flavor. Jamaican cuisine is like a symphony of flavors, a beautiful, amazing mess of influences from Africa, Spain, Britain, and India. Each culture has left its mark, creating a culinary tapestry that's as rich and diverse as the island itself. You've got the African influence with the use of okra, coconut, and callaloo. Then you've got the Spanish, who brought over their love of spices and herbs. And let's not forget the British, who introduced dishes like pastries and puddings. It's a culinary melting pot that's hotter than my temper. Ackee and saltfish is the national dish of Jamaica. And for good reason. This iconic dish is a match made in heaven, combining the creamy, nutty flavor of ackee fruit with the salty, savory goodness of salt cod. It's typically served with boiled green bananas, dumplings, and fried plantains, making for a hearty and satisfying breakfast that'll fuel you up for a long day of exploring the island. It's so good, it'll make you want to slap your mama. Jamaican jerk seasoning is legendary, a fiery blend of spices that'll set your taste buds on fire. It's a complex mix of allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers, thyme, and a whole load of other secret ingredients that'll leave you begging for more. This magical spice blend is traditionally used to marinate chicken, pork, or fish, which is then slow-cooked over pimento wood for a smoky, unforgettable flavor. It's the kind of flavor that'll make you weak at the knees. Chapter 4. Jamaican patties, a street food sensation. Jamaican patties are a street food sensation for a reason. These golden brown pastries are filled with a variety of savory fillings from spicy minced beef to flavorful vegetables and even seafood. They're the perfect on-the-go snack or a quick and easy lunch, and they're best enjoyed with a cold red stripe beer. Trust me, these patties are so damn delicious you'll be scoffing them down like a ravenous beast. Chapter 5. Blue Mountain Coffee Liquid Gold. If you're a coffee lover, then you need to get your hands on some Blue Mountain coffee from Jamaica. This stuff is the real deal, grown in the Blue Mountains of Jamaica, and it's renowned for its smooth, rich flavor and lack of bitterness. It's one of the most expensive coffees in the world, but let me tell you, it's worth every penny. One sip of this liquid gold and you'll be hooked for life. Chapter 6. Bami, the cassava flatbread. Bami is a traditional Jamaican flatbread made from cassava root. It's a staple food in Jamaica and is often served as a side dish with breakfast or as a base for other dishes. It's got a slightly chewy texture and a nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with savory dishes. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's brilliant. Chapter 7. Jamaican rum, a pirate's delight. Jamaican rum is world-renowned, and for good reason. This fiery spirit has a long and storied history dating back to the 17th century, and it's known for its bold, robust flavor. Whether you're sipping it neat on the rocks or mixing it into a delicious cocktail, Jamaican rum is a must-try for any spirits enthusiast. It's strong, it's flavorful, and it'll put hair on your chest. Pepper pot soup is a hearty and spicy dish. Please show some love to Reggae Roots Market that's been enjoyed in Jamaica for centuries. It's a slow-cooked stew made with beef, pork, or chicken, along with a medley of vegetables, spices, and callaloo, a leafy green vegetable. This soup is a true labor of love, simmered for hours to develop its rich, complex flavors. It's the kind of soup that'll warm you up from the inside out and leave you feeling completely satisfied. Jamaican festivals are a thing of beauty. These sweet fried dumplings are crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. They're like little bites of heaven, and they're the perfect accompaniment to savory dishes like jerk chicken or fish. The sweetness of the festivals perfectly balances out the spiciness of the jerk, creating a flavor combination that's out of this world. Sorrel is a popular Jamaican drink that's especially popular during the Christmas season. It's made from the sepals of the hibiscus plant and has a tart, tangy flavor that's both refreshing and invigorating. It's often spiced with ginger, cinnamon, and cloves, giving it a warm, festive aroma. It's the perfect drink to enjoy on a hot day or to get you in the holiday spirit. So there you have it, you lucky devils. 10 fascinating facts about Jamaican foods that are sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. From the fiery kick of jerk seasoning to the sweet and tangy delight of sorrel, Jamaican cuisine is a celebration of flavor, culture, and good times. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing Jamaican foods, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious content. And next time you're feeling adventurous in the kitchen, why not try your hand at whipping up some of these Jamaican delicacies? Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for it. Until next time, keep it spicy, my friends. Thanks for watching.